Hey, what's up guys, it's Daniel here. So I'm going to do my usual bonfire night fire. So I'm doing it in my incinerator tin, as I've done in previous 2 years. It'd probably be a pretty high fire. I'm hoping if I get, if it gets good luck. So I'm going to use some paper, which I'm going to put in first. And then I'm going to use ripped up bits of cardboard box, and then I don't know, you can see it's pretty dark out here, but there's some logs over there I'll use last. So I always tend to hold one piece of paper in my hand and light it in there, so I'll light it and throw it in the thing, and then the bits of paper I already put in here will catch fire, and then I can put the ripped up bits of cardboard on top, and then we're in business. I gotta hold the camera with my mouth like this. Right, here we go. Come on, yes. Oh. Nearly dropped the camera then. Whoa. Right, so I'm just going to put some of these other bits of paper on top of that. And I'm going to rip up bits of cardboard as quick as I can, so the fire can start to grow. There is some burnt paper in there from a failed video I tried to do earlier, so that should light as well, that should help. There's fireworks everywhere tonight. You can hear them everywhere. No, it's going out a bit. It's ever so slightly damp out here, so it's not the easiest condition to light a bonfire in. It went out again, so I just put like more paper and ripped up cardboard, and it's, you know, looking pretty awesome now. So I'm going to put the entire of this cardboard box in and see what happens. And then I could probably start putting some logs on. You always want to let the cardboard burn quite a bit first before you put logs on, otherwise it'll just smother the fire, because it's not that strong at the moment. It needs to be warm enough, you know, it needs to be a pretty hot temperature to burn wood. Cardboard's different because it's dry. This wood here is slightly damp. Oh, that's going really well. Well, that does feel hot enough to start putting wood on. Let's put that amount in for now. Usually I try and avoid the bits of flying paper in the air, but because it's night, it doesn't really matter. Put this last cardboard box in. Shit. Right, now as you can see, the woods are starting to burn now. I'll just put it in sort of like this, so it's stacked. Then it has a better chance of burning. So all I need to do now is wait for that to mature and get bigger. Put a little bit more in. Right, that is cooking. So now the fire's got pretty big. I'm going to put in this special powder which makes the fire go different colours, like red, green and blue. So I just put this in, and then in about 2 minutes you should start to see some different colours in the flames. Like firework colours basically. Right, so you should see colours in the flames now. I don't know if it's clear on camera, but there's a lot of blue and green. Whoa, loads of colours now. The wood I use is just sort of chopped up logs, like kindling. It works really well for just doing small bonfires where you want it to you know, burn up quickly. But seriously, those colours are awesome. I better not go too close. I'll burn my camera lens out. Right, so it's dying down a bit now. There's still quite a lot of colours in there when I put another sachet of that powder in. Colourful fire and stuff. And yeah, it's dying down quite a lot because I've ran out of wood. This looks like glow from over here. Oh my god, stepped in dog shit. Right, so this is the fire just smouldering now. It's almost over. So I'm going to put the lid on top and let it smoulder overnight. Like that. You can toast marshmallows on it when it's like that. And yeah. So thanks for watching my bonfire video, and see you all soon in another video. Peace. So this is one of the joys of the bonfire. Marshmallow roasting. That's good.